Hey guys, welcome to Developer Ninja. I'm Reza. Hit that subscribe button and let's build something amazing together. Now we add the enemy movement script to enemy and open the script. In the update section, we tell the enemies to move downwards at a certain speed. Then we say that if the enemies reach -6 on the y-axis, they will be destroyed. Okay, now let's run the project. As we can see, our code is working properly. Now we will create a 2D capsule object to create the bullet. We add a 2D rigid body component to the bullet and set its gravity scale to 0. We add the capsule collider to the component to it. We create a prefab from our bullet and remove the bullet from the hierarchy. We add the bullet movement script to the bullet. We open the script and code bullet's movement in the update section, and we say that if the bullet goes above certain coordinate, it will be deleted. Now we open the player movement script and add a bullet shot script to it. In the update section, we say that if the player presses the spacebar, shots will be fired at certain intervals. Now we're going to drag the bullet prefab in here. Now we run the project, and as we can see, the gunshot is working properly. Now we need to add tags to the enemy and the objects we need. Now we'll add a collision behavior to our bullet movement script and tell it to destroy something if it hits it. We are testing the project, and as we can see, when the bullet hits the enemies, it destroys them. More awesome tutorials are on the way. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell.